Welcome to Dazed in Flavor. Today I'm going to take you on a tour to my favorite Mexican grocery store. Let's go. I don't know, I kind of admire this. This is one I wanted to show you guys. Look at this. Guess what it is? Cinnamon. This is how, my grandfather used to have this churrito or the smoke. Yum! It was so delicious. Hope you'll enjoy this recipe. Please remember to subscribe, share, like and comment. Peach tree. She had some gorgeous bunches. Peach cobbler, peach jam and peach wine.
Just see. I want to show you something before that. So this is what I did. I got this done 2 weeks back, and I'm going to remove this and show you what's inside this. Look at the roly-polies.
Hi all, welcome to Dazed in Flavor. Today's a special episode. Surma. How to make this simple surma at home. This is chemical free and preservative free. Easy to use, does not smudge and is also waterproof.